Are you searching for a sturdy and efficient coffee maker that makes great tasting coffee for the whole family? Take a look at the Bonavita 8-cup coffee maker. Here are some of the top features. It brews 8 cups in just 5 to 6 minutes. It keeps the coffee hot for hours. It's German engineered, so it's super sturdy and will last a long time. It also comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Some other features include it's easy to fill with a wide opening water tank, has a clear mark tank for easy exact water filling, unique water boiler, so it releases water only when it achieves ideal coffee brewing temperature. There's a 2-hour auto shut-off. It has a wide pattern shower head for full ground saturation and agitation. It has a filter basket that is easy to fill and easy to clean. There's a glass-lined thermal carafe which holds 8 cups of coffee that are easy to pour. Here are some testimonials from satisfied customers. Click the link below this video to get the Bonavita 8-cup coffee maker now.